Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Mazda 3 Maxx Sport hatch, stock reference number 5814. The shape runs from the 10th month 2003 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left-hand side skirt, left front door has no damage, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand side skirt, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.